So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can record your computer screen here on Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, whether you're recording your screen for a school project, tutorial, or really anything else, Windows 11 actually has a built-in screen recorder that makes it super easy. To get started, actually open up the built-in screen recorder by hitting the Windows key, the Shift key, and then the S key, and this is going to bring up a page that looks something like this. Once you are on this page, the screen's going to dim a little bit, and this toolbar is going to appear up in the very top. Essentially, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is in this toolbar, find the video option in here. So select that, and then this is going to be how you record it. You just got to click and drag the entire duration of your screen, right? So mine is 1920 by 1080 essentially. But once you do that, it'll go ahead and, highlight that portion of the screen, and you just have to go ahead and hit start after doing so, and it'll give you a countdown. And you can also change whether you want it to pick up your mic, whether you want it to pick up desktop audio, and you can just go through and do whatever it is that you need to go ahead and do here on your screen, and it's going to record. Whenever you are done, all you got to do is just hit this little stop button up here and it'll stop. And what it's going to do is save that immediately. Now, it should automatically save it for you, but in the case that it doesn't, I usually like to hit this little save thing up at the very top first and just go in here and just make sure that it is saved by just hitting save, just like so. And now if you see, if I open up, my file explorer, go down to my videos, we have the video that I'm recording right here, and then the screen recording that I just took, just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.